Meaning of interior monologue.
Interior monologue.
Interior monologue.
Interior monologue.
Interior monologue. Interior monologue is a literary technique used to reveal the inner thoughts, feelings, and experiences of a character in a narrative. It involves presenting a character's stream of consciousness in an unfiltered and uninterrupted manner, allowing readers to gain a deep understanding of their motivations, fears, desires, and mental processes. This technique is often used in modernist and postmodernist literature to explore complex psychological states and themes such as identity, memory, perception, and existentialism.